Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So it's time for Christmas and I have created multiple videos also in the past how we can paint a easy and simple Christmas card. So today also we are going to paint a simple, quick, easy last minute greeting card. So you can have a round shape in the center of the sheet, which is optional. Basically I need little space in the center, so that's why I have created it. Is easy for me to take care of this space that I needed in the center, so that's why I have created a round shape here. Now with the help of orange color, basically you can choose any color, but I want to keep it more on the red, green and orange side, so that's why I'm using orange color first. And you can start creating a simple flower. This is the simplest flower you can paint. Basically you need 5 to 6 petals in a round shape. You can keep the size of the petal smaller and bigger to achieve different perspective of flower, although it is not necessary. And you can also keep a small negative space in the center to create the center part of the flower. And basically I'm creating these flowers throughout the circle, and basically I'm repeating the same thing, so I'm skipping few flower. And likewise you can paint. Now with the help of green color, you can have a nice green shade mixing blue and yellow together. And then with the help of green color you can paint a simple leaf. I'm creating 2 strokes leaves and combining these 2 strokes together to create a leaf kind of shape. And I'm creating leaf for each flower that I have and creating a border kind of pattern. Now it is totally up to you. If you want to keep it more complicated, you have multiple elements also in between, you can have different kind of flower altogether, but my motive is to keep this particular greeting card simple, easy, and especially for last minute when you don't have much time to paint something for your loved ones. You can paint something simple and easy so that you can create something beautiful for them. So that's why I am doing everything simple and easy here. So we are done with first layer. Now you can keep a little bit dark color in the center of the flower to create the center part. So either you can choose black color, blue color, red color, whatever color you like to have. Now because this is a Christmas card, I wanted to have red color and green color for sure. So just for variation I have used this orange color, but I'm also going to use yellow color at the end, but the main focus is on red and green. So let's create some red flower. So red flowers are also simple and easy. So basically I'm creating a loose rose flower. So for that you don't have to do much. You can simply create a circular shape, and then around it you can paint little thicker petal kind of pattern and arranged it in a little bit rose kind of a structure. So if you find this particular flower is difficult to paint, you can definitely choose same flower like we did with the orange color, and you can paint a layer of red flowers as well. But this flower is also pretty simple to paint. As you can see, I'm not doing anything fancy. I'm simply creating a round shape or a circular shape and creating some random pattern around it to create multiple petals. Now we need to repeat this particular flower throughout the sheet that we have. And if you have smaller space like this particular one, you can have half flower. So half flower is not visible, you can assume something like that, and keep doing it until your space has filled with red flowers. And I'm not showing you all the flowers because I am basically repeating the similar stuff. So we did something like this. Now let's make a different shade of green color. I am mixing my phthalo green and light green onto the red color. Basically if you mix yellow color, blue color and little hint of red, you will get different shade of green, more towards darker side. And because all the perspective are side perspective, so we can have sepals. Sepals are basically green structure which we usually see at the base of rose flower. So that is something you can paint because we are not creating stems here, so sepals are fine. And then we can have simple leaf. So creating a similar leaf like we did with the orange flower, but the arrangement is little bit different. Here I am creating 3 leaves in a group, and I am repeating this for all the flowers that we have. So basically one group, one set of 3 leaves for each rose that we have. So first do that, and if needed we can paint some more leaves to finish. So let's repeat the same thing for all the rose flowers that we have. Nothing fancy here, creating leaves around every rose flower and filling the other area. Basically I want to fill the whole sheet except the center, which we have kept negative. And these are one stroke leaves, so it is pretty simple to paint. You just need little practice around one stroke technique. You just need to apply little pressure into your brush and drag your brush towards that particular direction wherein you want your leaf to be. So basically it is all about pressure and direction. So once you practice these things, you can paint all these things easily. I have created multiple videos in the past wherein I have explained everything about one stroke technique in detail. So if you want, you can refer to those videos as well, although it is pretty simple to paint and quick as well. So I think we are pretty much done with the leaves and the flower. Now, as I said, I am also going to use yellow color. So with the help of yellow color, I am creating small flowers in between. So wherever possible, wherever you are seeing a little space, you can paint these small random circular shape I am creating. Nothing fancy as such, and I'm just going around the space that I have in between. And basically you need to repeat this particular step throughout the shape. So keep doing it until you're satisfied. And remember, the combination of colors and all these things is totally up to you. I'm just showing an idea what you can do. So think about it and create your own version, and if possible share with me as well, so that we can see each other creativity. Now with the help of violet color, I am creating a small leaf kind of pattern around every yellow flower that I have. So you can definitely choose green color also, but purple color is the complementary color of yellow, and I think this color pops the yellow flower better because these are very smaller in size. So that's why I want to use something different here. So that's why I'm using violet color. And this is the last step what I'm doing here. So repeat it for all the yellow flowers. And then to finish this particular greeting card, you can write anything in the center that we have kept negative. And I'm also using brown sheet at the base so that we can see a brown border around this particular greeting card. So hope you have liked this particular video, and thank you so much for watching. See you all in the next video.